How to unfriend someone in game. Hello guys, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll teach you how you can unfriend someone in game. So kindly watch till the end. Now in this tutorial, you would know if it's possible to unfriend someone or not on game. So let's go. First of all, launch the app on your device just like I've done here. And then once you've done that, on the home screen, move to the bottom part where you can see two icons, the tutorial icon and then the friends tab. So just go ahead and click on the friends tab. And so you'll be brought to your friends page. On this page by the left side, you will see some tabs which includes friends, club, spectate. So ensure that you're on the friends tab. And so once you're on this tab, at the top part of the screen, you can also see three tabs such as friends, search, request. Ensure you click on your friends tab. And then on this page, you'll see all of your friends in game. For me, I don't have any friends yet. That's why this page is empty. But for you, you'll see all of your friends here. And so once you can see all of your friends there, scroll through your friends list to find the person you want to friend. And so once you found the person, tap on their profile to open their details. And you'll be taken to their profile page. And then on this page, look for the friend button and then tap on it. All right, it's available. So once you tap on it, you'll be asked if you're sure that you want to unfriend this person. Select yes, and then that particular person would be removed from your friends list. So this is how you can unfriend someone in game. So if you have someone that is toxic that you cannot undo, you can always unfriend the person on game. Thank you for watching and have a good day.